Hey everybody, what's going on? I hope you've all had an amazing week. So it's been a while since I did an update, so I just wanted to let's see what's going on in the markets. I've had a lot of people just asking about sort of entries on trades that I've posted recently on IG, and I just thought I'd go through with you today the 3 trades that I've taken. I've had 2 wins and 1 loss. So first of all, let's go through this. This is EG. You can see them on the micro time frame, 5-minute. Chart's really nice and easy to read. And this is just basically based on structure, okay? So we can see clearly, structure-wise, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is our last significant point of interest and our last low point. Waiting for price to come into this area, we can see that we've had this big push up, then this nice slow move back down, and then we've come into our significant point of interest with the lower time frame confirmation structure here. These previous highs have been taken, then price has come back in, bang, and we've had that nice explosive move. Now, I did take off 75% of my position up here, just because, again, I was a little bit concerned that potentially we could have a turnaround in price. We're also in a very, very significant higher time frame area of interest, which I can show on this here. So if I just expand that screen, we can see that actually, again, similar type of thing. We've taken liquidity from this double top, and we're now creating that nice evening star 3-pin pattern as well. And I would be expecting some further downside momentum. However, you've got to trade what you see and not what you think. And this morning we were clearly bullish. So that was why I went for the initial long, which did play out. Then we, after taking off 75% of my trade, the price came back down and I went for a re-entry back at this level, and that one didn't win. That one took me out. So we had a nice just under 6% and then a 1% loss on that, but that's no bother. That's all part of trading. And now we are absolutely dumping to the downside. So I've done an update for my traders just so we know what we're looking for. And then hopefully from there we can catch some nice positions on the way down. Now, moving on to the next trade that I've taken. Excuse me if you can hear a load of rustling in the background. That's just my new puppy going crazy. So GU, okay, again, very, very simple, very straightforward. We can see that this morning in Asia, we took the previous lows, the lower high, and created that higher high. So then we're looking for that new higher low. All right, and then finding where the previous support and resistance is. So this was the nice support. This was the lower point. We are therefore looking for a long position before we get to this area here. If we break through, then we know the entire setup is invalid. So this morning, we had that nice spike from here higher. I didn't catch this one. I wasn't on the charts at the time. However, given that we'd then made a new higher high, basic structure, when we're looking at structure, we're saying this, okay? Very, very simple. So we've now just made the higher high, came back into our significant point of interest, which is our higher low, therefore meaning we can tuck the stop just below our previous high low, just under an 8-pip stop, and currently running a 1 to 5.5. I did take off half my position here, just because I was a bit concerned that we could again have a little bit of a reversal. However, it does look like that now prices continue to climb higher. Position is at break even. This is all very, very simple stuff. So just using structure to take trades. And if you understand structure really, really well, then you're half the way there with trading. Yes, I know that this is a counter trend trade, given that we've absolutely fallen out of the sky. However, we have to have retracements, and it looks like that we've got that retracement coming now. But yeah, I hope that kind of makes sense. I just wanted to show these positions, as I know I've had a lot of people asking what I'm looking for, what times am I trading, and it's basically London and New York, but it depends. You know, I'll look at the charts in the morning, I'll set my orders. I'll look at the charts at lunchtime, I'll set my orders, and it's basically that simple. But I hope that makes sense. If anyone's got any questions, then let me know. Sorry, this is a quick one. I just have my puppy going absolutely crazy. So I'm going to go and attend to her. But yeah, basic structure, taking the highs, higher low, again, higher high, higher low. We can capitalize on all of these moves. Again, you know, we're just looking for pullbacks, you know, to get in these type of moves. And it can just pay you over and over and over again. So take care, have a great day, everyone, and I'll be back soon.